Hey, how you doing? This is James Carter, and today I'd like to show you my Curation Fire WordPress plugin. Okay, I believe that what you're going to see today, I just think is going to knock your socks off. So, if you're trying to build sites for passive income, if you're into that, okay, and you're tired of trying to find good quality content, then I've got something great to show you today. Today, I'd like to show you my simple yet powerful, okay, simple but yet powerful WordPress plugin that allows you to build sites very quickly, create quality content quickly, build passive AdSense sites. If you're into that, I like AdSense. I don't know about you. I love it. Okay. And curate content easily, which unless you've been under a rock for the last 2 years, you know that curating quality content is becoming all the rage online. It's one of the best and easiest ways to build a site without having to come up with the content yourself. This plugin is going to allow you to do that very easy, and I'm going to show you how it's going to do that all with just a few clicks of a button. Now, I got to let you know this is a limited time offer. This is not a scarcity tactic or anything like that. The price will not be this low for long, so make sure you take action fast. Okay, let me show you the software. Let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so here I am on one of my sites, and when you first install the software, you'll come over here and you can set your options for the software here. Okay, so you come over to this little area right here, click on that Curation Fire, and from there you'll be able to select your user interface if you want to switch the colors up, if you're into that kind of thing. Also, the software has options for Google Imaging and Flickr. You can select the licensing in here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and select public domain, and for Flickr I'm going to select no copyright restrictions and then click on save. Now that we've done that, we're ready to curate some content and get it done quickly. Let me show you how this works. This works either under your post area or your pages area. Okay, so let's go to post and let's go to add new. Now let me show you what the software is. To make it very simple and easy for you, it runs right underneath your posting box. Now make sure that when you first use it that you have it on the visual tab, and then it's as simple as coming down here, selecting the option that you want. I'm going to go ahead and select all, and in this case I have a barbecue site because I love barbecuing, so I'm going to go ahead and put in barbecue grills. Then we'll hit select search, and the software will pull content from all of these sites. Now let me show you some of the features of this. This is going to be really cool. I know you're going to like this. Okay, over here you have a save option or save the draft button. So if you see something that you like but you don't want to write about it right now, you can go ahead and click on that button like that, and once you do, it will save it as a draft and you can go back and edit it later. Okay, now right in here you have these buttons where you can set the post. You can use this. You can set the post as the title. You can insert this result into a post, or you can choose to insert the link only. And if you know anything about curating content, you know you have to give a link back to the source. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to come up here, and as you can see, we have nothing in here. Okay, and this is the cool thing because the software runs right up under the posting browser. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select, I'll keep it right here, and then I'm going to click on insert result into post. Okay, now I have a piece of content in here that I can link to, and I can come in here and add my content or add my commentary to this particular content. So it's as simple as, here's the latest on BBQ or barbecue grills today. Okay, now you might want to add a little bit more in there, but I'm just showing you how the software works and how easy this is. Okay, and you can come down here if you want. If we want to use this as a title, or we want to use it and edit or tweak it, we can do that. So let's click on set as post title. Okay, and we can come in here and change this if we want to. Barbecue grills, outdoor barbecue grills, and we can do something like what you should know. Now another cool feature about this is if we want to take a look at this, we can just click on the expand button, and the content is going to load right in here, which is pretty cool because then we can go in if we want to read the article and add a little bit more bang to it, then we can come in here and take a look at it. Okay, and if we don't like it, we can just collapse that, and then we could take a look at the next one. So everything you need is right here in front of you. You don't have to go outside of WordPress. Everything you need is right here in front of you. Now, another thing I want to show you, which I think you're just going to love this. This is going to be so awesome. You can come right in here, okay, and we can use the create random post option. Now, what is this going to do? For however many sites you have selected, for however many sites or resources you have selected here, when you click on this button, it will create a random post. It will take one item from each of those sections. Okay, so let's go ahead and show you how that works here. As you can see up here, I have nothing in here. I'm going to come in here and I'm going to click on create random post. Okay, and now take a look at this right here. Now we have content from each one of those with links back to all of those particular resources. Now the cool thing is, if some of these are blogs, we're going to get a track back from those websites, which is going to link back to us, which is even better. Okay, now we don't have to worry about the duplicate content thing or anything like that, because we're linking back to the source. We're not outright stealing content or anything like that. We're giving our comment and commentary and letting people know where they can find good content based upon their topic. Okay, now here's one of the last features I want to show you about this software, which is pretty awesome. If you go to YouTube or SlideShare, okay, not only can you insert that into the posting area, but if you want to, you can also click on view slideshow and you can view the slideshow right within the plugin. Okay, just like that. And if you want to embed that, just go ahead and click on insert slideshow. And as you can see, it's right there. And the cool thing is you can do the same thing with YouTube as well. Okay, so click on insert video and there it is. Now we're ready to publish our post. Now I'll come up here and change this again, and there we go. Click on publish, and now we have a post that's ready to go. Now, in case you're wondering, I'm not just going to leave you there. I also have available for you a members training area that shows you how to get even more out of the software. So let me take you through a quick tour of that. When you first sign up and get involved in the members area, you'll be taken to the dashboard area where you can find everything you need from there. Okay, you can find your support area, all that stuff. And here's the cool thing is that you get access to the bonus content and then the training videos and software where you can download the plugin. And I give you tons of great information along with videos to show you how to master the software, how to create great posts, and then also I give you a link on plugins that you need to have for your blog to make your blog work even better and to attract more traffic. Okay, and don't forget that you get access to some very cool bonus items like my 5-day outsource backlink plan, my AdSense outsource blog workflow, which is going to show you how to just simply send out a template to a worker and they'll be able to build those AdSense sites for you, set all that stuff up for you. Okay, and here's one that I think you're really going to like, my simple word tracker trick that shows you how I was able to create 2 AdSense sites and basically with very little work turn around and flip those sites for $1,500. Okay, and then you're also going to get my Traffic Vault document sharing workflow and my Traffic Vault tutorial site workflow. So as you can see, there's a ton of value here for a very inexpensive price. So here's what you need to do now. Go ahead and sign up and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.